Hello, techies. Alright, so this is CompTIA Lab 2.4 and we're going to set up an A.V Workstation. Alright, so let's see the tasks we have in this particular lab. So the media department has recently hired a new video editor and the existing workstation needs to be upgraded. Currently, the system is not equipped to meet the demands of the video editing. It only has a single monitor connected to the onboard graphics adapter and limited storage capacity with no redundancy. So the workstation needs to support dual monitors and include a reliable storage solution that ensures that data integrity, fault tolerance, and optimized performance for handling large video files. Configure the storage system to distribute data across the multiple drives in a way that combines performance and redundancy, ensuring that the system can continue to function even if one drive fails. Alright, so this is pretty much straightforward. And let's see additional information provided. Alright, so let's just start up right away. Okay, let's see what we have. So for this, we are going to turn this to the back. Turn this to the back, and no, I think we're supposed to access the motherboard. Alright, so we are now inside the motherboard. Okay, so we go over to the storage area and we're placing our storage here: storage 1, storage 2, and hard drive 3. Okay, so the relevant cables, we plug in one cable here, the other end is supposed to go into the motherboard. We'll do that later. We'll plug in the other end here, and for the last hard drive, we plug in the data cable here. Alright, so this is the appropriate port, so we'll plug in this other end, plug in the other end here. Okay, and the other end for this, for this, we plug the other end here. Okay, so we have let's see the power adapter. Okay, so we plug in the power here, this is to power the storage device. So for the third hard drive, we plug in the power here also. Okay, so we plug in the power for the video card. So we turn this to the back, and we plug this here. And the monitor, let's turn this to the back so that we can plug in the relevant cables. So first up, we're going to start with the power cable. Plug in one end here, one end is coming here, and of course you know the other end is supposed to go into the power outlet. So let's plug it in here, and plug in one end here, and the other end will go into the USB port on the CPU. So we're through here, so let's return this back to front. Power it on. Let's turn this on, switch at the back, and then turn it back to front so that we can access the power switch and turn it on. So let's turn it on through the power button here. So wait for it to boot. Okay, let's see. Go over to the displays. The bin display is here and is available. So go to the notepad. So what we want to do here is to uh, so we're gonna restart the PC. And we are now into the BIOS mode. So to get into the BIOS mode, of course, you know what to do. I typed it out for you so that you know what to do. So we'll go into the SATA and click on read, turn read on. We apply this. Okay, so we want to select the disks here, and we have the 3 disks that we just installed. So we create read here and go ahead and exit. Go into disk management. Go to device manager, go to new RAID, let's close this. Mm, let's close this. Let's go and let's see how we do. So we'll go ahead and score lab and everything is 100% correct. All right, so you know what to do. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button and remember to share so that others can benefit also. Subscribe to this channel if you're new here, and if you have further questions on how to solve any of the tests that blah at all, hit me up in the comment section or use the WhatsApp number attached to this video for faster response. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see